So recently there was an important safety recall notice that was announced that could impact your driving and safety.
Sold it all, we're on our way. Packed our dreams in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement in motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show.
Not sure if you guys have done this yet, but today is our day. We got to take Big Brutus in for a recall notice. Yeah, that's right. I was checking on the app and we had a recall for the transmission that says it could just lock up. And that wouldn't be good. You're driving down the freeway with the trailer and all of a sudden your wheels lock up. So we're definitely gonna go get that fixed. Gonna get that checked out today.
No, it's okay. I think you're first. So let me.
Martin? That's me, but he was here.
I'm Dave. Dave Moffat.
Is this the first time you're here?
Yeah.
What's a good address for you?
Ooh, what's our address? We're full-time RVers, and so we use it as our vehicle. So I just want to make sure that we're good to go for.
It just essentially just reprogramming the module itself.
Okay.
Yeah. So one of the computers.
So that shouldn't take too long then, right?
I would say probably an hour and a half to 2 hours with the oil change.
This is right out here.
Yeah, right on the other side of this window right here in this parking lot.
All right. Thank you very much.
How we doing?
You too. You don't want to see that.
So we just dropped our truck off and did the service request. And what was cool is instead of sitting here waiting for the truck to be done, which, because it's our only ride, when you're full-time RVing, you only have one vehicle and you don't have, friends or family around to pick you up. And they called us an Uber. We're gonna go catch some lunch and Uber back on their dime. So that's kind of cool. The update's not so bad. We're gonna do some scheduled maintenance at the 100,000 mark. So it should take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, and perfect time for us to grab some lunch.
I have just a matching.
Thank you.
All right, you too.
Those are your Uber, so we're gonna walk it back.
I feel like I'm a real Floridian now because it's sunny and not too cool. It's a little windy, but I'm in a jacket.
Yep.
So I'm fitting right
You've
in.
acclimated.
I hope it's the right
Food
place.
hall? Yeah, me
Let's hope
too.
it's the right
Let's
place.
hope it's the right place. Oh, there it is.
Oh, good.
The Dancing Yeti.
Oh, that's what it
So
was.
this is like a food court type thing.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of different.
Let's go this way.
You got Thai street food, so we don't have to just go to the one place. Oh, that's kind
But
of
it
cool.
looked good. Oh, I like it. Hey, you picked a good spot. You're gonna give me all these choices and ask me what I want to do.
That's the only downside. Too many choices.
Oh. I don't know. This looks really good. Might be good to try something new.
Let's do it.
We'll get a side of the masala fries then.
What do you think? What would you recommend? I'll go with whatever you think is the best. Sounds good? Set me up. Your best chicken meal, whatever. I'm feeling adventurous today, so let's try it.
And I'll go with the paneer tikka masala.
That's a good one?
Yeah.
That's classic.
That is my go-to, but it's so good. So good. Cheers, babe. Cheers. Happy St. Patty's.
Yeah. That's what her St. Patty's Day drink is, a Pepsi. She doesn't really do soda.
Because it's
Once
holiday.
a year, because it's holiday.
Ooh, look at those fries.
Looks very colorful. And it smells really good too.
This looks so amazing. So flavorful, packed with flavor. Looks like there's homemade chips. Well done. Well done, Dancing Yeti.
I don't know if I should be staring at what that guy's selling over there.
Oh. Don't even think about it.
Oh yeah, that was a awesome meal. I'm finished. She still got some to go, but that was really, really good. If you're ever in the area, highly recommend the Dancing Yeti, or probably any other one of these places. It's just a great place to go to.
Oh, so full.
All right, we just finished our food, and Patience is taking her second Uber drive.
Okay, watch your step. They're painted orange for a reason.
Second Uber ride for her life right now.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi. Yes. How are you doing today? All right, we are back now, and we're gonna go head on inside and see how things went.
There's my truck.
Cross your fingers.
The recall was actually GM covered that.
Yep.
We're gonna charge for that.
Did they do an inspection at all or anything like that?
Yes. I didn't see. He didn't let me know anything you needed. I didn't see anything in the system. But
Okay. And thank you for the Uber.
Huh?
Thank you for the
You're very
Uber.
welcome.
That was
Sorry.
really nice.
We do try. We provide that as a courtesy to help our customers. But as everything, he did that inspection. Everything's fine. There's nothing that he saw that he needed.
Okay.
So it's in good condition.
Oh, good. That's
Here's
great to
the-
hear.
Your receipt. The other thing I do want to let you know is that you'll probably get an email from GM to do a survey. Just a report card of my service with you today.
Sure.
Anything. The only reason I bring it up is anything less than a 10 is a feeling great for me, and just how GM dictates how much they pay me. So I helped you out. I would appreciate
Okay.
it.
Thank
And what's
you.
your name?
My name is Christian.
Christian.
And if I give you horrendous service, you can put Victoria on there. Okay?
No, you did really great. Thank you. We got a A+ on our truck. Good old Brutus.
He passed everything.
Yes.
Just the peace of mind in knowing that the safety recall is fixed is huge. And it's important, especially if you're driving. The truck is like your livelihood. If it broke down, we couldn't move, and we can't move. We don't know what to do. And
Especially for hauling a rig, right? So luckily we didn't run into like a situation that got us in an accident before we came in for this recall.
If you own a GMC or a Chevy truck, 1500 to 3500 in the year 2020 to 2022, if you happen to fall in those years, you have a recall. Go and get it done before it's too late. And I'd highly recommend it. It was really simple, really easy for us to do it. We just came, dropped it off, went and got lunch, and went back. It was done. So it was awesome. All right, everything feels really good, really solid. Thank you, GMC, Orange GMC in Orlando, Florida. You guys really took care of us by giving us an Uber. Love it. Loved our service rep too. He did a great job. So again, don't hesitate to get little things like this done and out of the way. It makes a huge difference, especially if you're full-time RVing. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with our fellow travelers. And not to mention, check out some of our other videos about our RV life and our escapades. We'd love to see you on the road, but until then, take care and good luck.